mind. Today I will teach you rectilinear figure exercise 11a. What is the rectilinear figure? Means the figure bounded by straight lines are called rectilinear figure. Rectilinear figure means the figure is bounded by straight lines like triangle, rectangle, okay, rhombus, square. These are rectilinear figures. And we studied about the triangle. Now we will study about the quadrilateral. What is the quadrilateral? The figure bounded by four sides is called quadrilateral. And there are some types of quadrilateral. First, rectangle, second, parallelogram, square, rhombus, kite, trapezium, isosceles trapezium. Okay. Now, first we will study about the parallelogram. We will study about the parallelogram. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Okay. Opposite angles are equal. Okay. Opposite sides are equal and parallel, and opposite angles are also equal. Okay. So this is parallelogram. The diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. The diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Okay. If it is 12, then 6, 6. It is 18, then 9, 9. Okay. The diagonal of parallelogram by now rectangle. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Okay. Opposite sides are opposite sides are equal. Each interior angle is 90 degree. Each interior angle is 90 degree. And diagonals are equal and bisect each other. Diagonals are equal and bisect each other. So what is the difference between a parallelogram and rectangle? In rectangle, each angle is 90 degree and diagonals are equal. If diagonals are equal in a parallelogram, in any parallelogram, then it is a rectangle. Okay, then it is a rectangle. Okay, dear students. Now square, the same property which are in parallelogram, then rectangle, then square. So what is the difference between the square? All those property square is having, but in square opposite sides are equal. Each angle is 90 degree. Each interior angle is 90 degree. And diagonals are equal but bisect at right angle. Bisect at right angle. This is the difference between the parallelogram. In rectangle and square. These bisect at right angle. Okay, and all sides are equal. Number one, all sides are equal, diagonals are equal and bisect each other at right angle. Okay, and these angles are 45, 45, 45, 45. Okay, this is the square. Now dear student, rhombus. So rhombus, opposite side, all sides are equal. Okay, and opposite sides are parallel to each other. Okay, and diagonals bisect each other at right angle. Okay, but what is the difference between square and this? There each angle in square, each angle is 90 degree, but it is not compulsory that it should be 90 degree. Okay, but in a square it is 90 degree each interior angle, and diagonals are not equal, bisect each other at right angle. In rhombus also this is 90 degree, but these are equal or not, this is not compulsory. Okay, this is the difference between rhombus and the square. Okay, now in isosceles trapezium, this is the isosceles trapezium. So in this trapezium, angle C equal to angle D. Okay, and non-parallel sides are equal. Non-parallel sides are equal. What is the trapezium? Means two parallel side and two non-parallel side. Okay, so this is the trapezium. Means the figure bounded by two parallel side and two non-parallel side. These four sides are there. So it is the trapezium. So non-parallel sides are equal. So this is the an isosceles trapezium. Opposite sides are equal. So in isosceles trapezium, angle C equal to angle A equal to angle B, angle D equal to angle C. Okay, AD equal to BC. Okay, and this OA equal to OB, OA equal to OB, and OC equal to OD. Okay, so this thing you keep it in your mind, and both diagonals are also equal. Okay, both diagonals are also equal. Both diagonals are also equal, means AC equal to BD. This is an isosceles trapezium. Okay, now dear students, kite. In kite, two adjacent sides are equal, means AB equal to BC and AD equal to CD. Two adjacent sides are equal. Okay, then angle A equal to angle C, A equal to angle C. Okay, these are diagonals. This is O. Then OA equal to this diagonal, means BD bisect diagonal AC, means OA equal to OC. Okay, and BD bisect angle B and angle D. Okay, bisect means this equal, this equal. Okay dear students, this is the kite, and these are the properties of kite. AB equal to BC, AD equal to CD, and angle A equal to angle C. OA BD bisect diagonal AC, means OA equal to OC, and BD bisect angle B and angle D. Okay dear students.